Abayimbi Esther ne Ezekiel banono nga bebaana ba Julie kw'ossa ne Pastor Stephen Mutesasira munange batuuse ku semi-finals eza Canada's Got Talent. Wabulanga mu mawulire ge tufunano ku Newspark channel bambi tebasobodde kuba nti no bayitamu paka ku finals okusinziira ku bajjaji bwe batuuse okuba nti no balangirira abo abanagenda ku finals za Canada as Got Talent. Bambi Esther ne Ezekiel tebasobodde kuba nti no bafuna omukisa guno, wabula ekyo tekibalemedde kuba nti no bavaayo ne babeera nga beebaza abawagizi baabwe naddala abali mu Uganda kw'ossa ne mu Canada, era nga bwe buno obubaka bwabwe.
Hello.
How are
Hi
you guys?
everybody, hope you're all okay.
We're here to tell you, we're here to thank you so much, Uganda. Thank you so much, Canada. We really want to thank you for everything.
We want to thank you for your love and support. Even though we didn't pass through to the finals, we are really grateful that that at least you've showed us your support. You've been there for all of us. Though we didn't pass through to the finals, well, at least you've shown us love, and we are really grateful to you all, and we do love you all so very much. We want to thank you all, and may the God bless you guys.
We are
so
proud
much.
of ourselves and what we did. Next time we shall do better.
Way better.
And
may God bless you all. Thank you
May
for
God
your love
bless
and
y'all.
support. Though we did not pass through to the finals, well, at least God really helped us, and at least we performed on the semi-finals. At least we reached the semi-finals.
Yeah.
But at least we're really grateful that all of you showed us love, and we're really grateful for all of you, and we love you all so much.
Love you guys
Everybody
so much.
around, we love you, Canada, and we love you, Uganda. May God bless you all, and we really do love you all. Thanks for your love and support.
Thank you.
May God bless and keep you all for all of us. We do love you all so much.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you, Uganda and Canada, and friends around the world. We really do love you all so much.
Really do
May
love
God
you.
bless
Thank you
and
so
keep
much.
you all. Though we did not win or pass through to the finals, well, at least we performed on the semi-finals. Why we don't see that moment when judges are commenting, because I love it most. We will. We love you guys, and
Love
God
you guys
bless
so
you.
much.
Thank you.
Love you.
Have a good night.
Have a good night.
Have a blessed morning, or good night, or good afternoon, evening. We love you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Greetings from Mom. Bye. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for the support, for the love, for everything. Honestly, yeah, these kids, the children have really tried. But well, things didn't go well, but
We didn't pass
next
through.
time it will be better.
It's okay.
We know what we're supposed to do, but they tried. We thank God for the semi-finals that we reached that stage. So thank you so much. Canada, we love you. Canada Got Talent. Thank you, Uganda. Thank you for the votes, for the support. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Eyo nga tuvuddeyo atolowooza omugagga Lwasa Agobye enjo mu nnyumba. Mu mawulire ge tufuna wano ku Newspark channel, munnange enjo yagobeddwa mu nnyumba. Okusinziira ku Lwasa agamba nti no enjo okukomawo kwe munnange yalina ebigendererwa ebirala. Bwe kityo nno bwe kiri okusinziira ku Lwasa nti enjo teyakomawo mu mirembe, wabula yakomawo nga ina ebigendererwa bye ebirala. Oba oliawo Lwasa bye yaguddemu kakati nno n'amufubutula mu nnyumba ye, era Lwasa yalangiridde nti kati ali singo. Nolwekyo abamwepikira musobola okuba nti nno mumwefunira. Ag'omunkubo gali nti emikolo gya Charles kw'ossa ne Asia munnange giri kumpi. Kakati nno ye Charles yafunye dda best man nga obalabaawo. Oyo ye mwami Jeba. Kakati nno oyo ye best man mbu Mbuye best man fe wano ku news pack channel tetwagala kusala bigambo nenga mawulire agayitaayita best man ye Jemba best man wa Charles kakati tulindirira ataani agenda okubeera metroni wa Asia byonna byonna ojja kubeera nga obitegera naye ng'emikolo gyo bakyagenda mu maaso n'okuba nti no bagitegeeka naye ekibuuzo ddala Charles ne Asia bufumbo buno gw'obulaba nti no bunaawangala oba nedda n'ebyo si bye bituleese katubeere nga tukuwa Charles kwassa ne best man we Jemba.
Mr. Jemba liked me.
Best man mugona anyumye sere
bamutemi akabiri okamanyi oyagala ono
bwetto betambudde obadde mulabi mulungi wobale kwekumira ku news pack channel teweerabira ku likinga teweerabira kuba nti noleka obubaka bwawo mu comment section ate era okunyiga akadeka notification eri gwe atanaba kuba nti no subscribinga ku YouTube channel yaffe the news pack channel yugi subscribinga mukwano obeere ng'otwegattako mu butongole mubeere bulungi mweraba.